This exceptional Patek Geneve Minute Repeater pocket watch, crafted circa 1896, was specially made for the Imperial Russian Royal Court. It features a magnificent 18-karat solid gold full hunter case, adorned with exquisite hand-painted enamel portraits of Tsar Nicholas II and Empress Alexandra Feodorovna, a testament to its prestigious provenance. At its heart, the watch houses a highly sophisticated minute repeater movement by Lecoultre, one of the finest Swiss watchmakers of its time. The hand-finished mechanism boasts an extraordinary 32 jewels, ensuring precision and longevity. This level of craftsmanship is rarely seen, making this watch an extraordinary piece of horological history. The watch features a pristine enamel dial with elegant Roman numerals, reflecting the meticulous artistry of the era. The case back is richly engraved, highlighting its luxury status and exclusivity. The total weight of the watch is an impressive 124 grams, further emphasizing its substantial quality. As a symbol of imperial grandeur, this timepiece stands as a masterpiece of Swiss horology and Russian aristocratic heritage. With its combination of technical excellence, artistic beauty, and royal provenance, this Patek Geneve Minute Repeater is a rare and valuable collector's item, offering a glimpse into the opulence of the Russian imperial court at the turn of the century. You can buy it from my eBay store, Rarica Antiques and Collectibles. See the link below.